but it has got scuff on the arm. Someone at the warehouse decided to chuck it about, I reckon, but it hasn't got a rip in it, so that's good. What is happening, boys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another unboxing. I know you guys are absolutely loving the unboxings at the moment, so yeah, I'm really excited to get this one out. We've got £11,000 worth of Stone Island stock today. CP Company and Stone Island, some absolute bangers in this drop, so yeah, really excited to get into it. Do me a massive favour, can you hit like on this video right now? Let's get this video pushed up into the algorithm, and then hopefully we'll bring other Stone Island lovers to this channel, and everyone can then shop with me, and then you can all save loads and loads of money. I can bring you more videos, I can bring you more stock. Yeah, it's just good all round. So yeah, hit like on the video for me, hit subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Alright, grab a cup of tea, because this one's going to be a little bit longer than normal, I think. Right, let's start. First up, we've got these CP Company overshirts. These ones, I've got two. They're size large. They're just pure buttoned up ones. So they're literally just button up, which I think is really nice because it's actually a thicker overshirt. So personally, you could wear it as a shirt or an overshirt. So you wear a t-shirt underneath, or you just wear it as like a nice thick shirt. And it's also got the CP Company lens on the arm as well. So that's really nice if you just wanted to wear one layer and not have to double layer because it gets a bit hot, do you know what I mean? I'm a hot person, I don't really like wearing two layers sometimes. So for me, this is kind of like the perfect shirt. It's also got pockets on the front as well. But yeah, really, really nice. Like a charcoal grey colour, like an off black. We've got two of them, size large, 23 pits a pit on them ones. So much stock, can't even fit on my rails at the moment. Up next, with this chunky Stone Island knit jumper. It's a quarter zip, and then it's got the buttons to cover up as well. Nice sort of vintage retro vibes on this one. Nice and chunky thick as well, definitely not a thin one. And this one is in a 2XL in like a dark sagey green colour. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Then we got a Stone Island Ghost Down Ovental body warmer in a lovely navy blue colour. We had one of these in large, sold a few months back now, I think. But this one's in an XL, 24 pits a pit. I don't see this one hanging about very long. It's very thick. Full zip, then it's got the cover to cover the zip, which is obviously a really nice touch, covering that zip up. And then inside you can see, look, downfilled, really, really nice. XL. Then we got a Stone Island yellow hoodie. This one's in a 2XL. I absolutely love the colour yellow. Honestly, I think yellow with black cargos is a sick look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now, unfortunately, in this drop, I did get quite a few flawed items, which depends on how you look at it, could be a good thing if you're not too bothered about a flaw and you want loads of money off. Do knock like all my profit off. I just literally look to get my money back on it. Sometimes I even take L's. So depending on how you look at it, it could be a good stock drop for you or a bad stock drop. So this is a CP Company flat nylon downfilled 3/4 length parka. It's navy blue, size large, but it has got scuff on the arm. Someone at the warehouse decided to chuck it about, I reckon. Yeah, so annoying, but like I say, I am just looking to get money back on that one. If anyone wants an absolute bargain and not too bothered about that. Not ripped or nothing. It's just got like the scuff there, and then it's sort of grazed there. That's the only problem. But it hasn't got a rip in it, so that's good. Yeah, if anyone wants this, also feel free to just drop me a message about this kind of stuff, because I will happily just be looking to get rid of it. So if you're looking for an absolute bargain, some of this stuff will be going super, super cheap. Up next, we got this sage green Stone Island quarter zip knit jumper. This is really nice. The lighting makes it look quite bright there, but it's actually quite like an off green, like a sage off green kind of color. Really nice, really smart. It's a 2XL. I believe it's 26 pits a pit on that one. But yeah, really smart. I'm going to get both of these jackets done in one. So these are the CP Company BITM jackets. They're membrane material, really puffy, really thick jackets. You saw it in my last previous unboxing. I think I've got 3 of them now. I've got 2 in XL and 1 in 2XL. And they've all got pen marks on them. Someone's obviously just walked around the warehouse just marking them with pen, which is obviously very, very weird. But this one has got a red pen mark just on the top there. And then this one has got a little black pen mark there. So yeah, I'm not too sure what's happening there. But of course, like I say, I just need my money back on these. So if anyone wants to grab them, feel free to grab an absolute barg. Then we got this Stone Island Naslan Light Watro Down TC coat. This one's in like a off pinky purpley kind of colour. It's a size medium. It's in lovely condition. It comes in about 23 pits a pit. I've tried it on myself as a large, and I'd say it's just a tad small, but obviously I'm a bit on the bigger side of large. So if you're a bigger medium or a skinnier large, this will probably fit you, but it is tagged a medium. Then we got this lime green XL jumper. Lovely, lovely fit. I like these ones. They don't fit too tight around the bottom. Nice and relaxed flow on them. Yeah, and that one's an XL. Up next, a CP Company BITM jacket. This one's in like a same similar colour to my jumper, like a rusty brown colour. These are beautiful. These retail for over £900. I think they're £965. And I would have made money on it, but unfortunately it had two tiny little marks on it. Again, I don't know what's going on with these coats at the moment. Two tiny little marks on it. Someone bought it last night for an absolute bargain. I think they got it for £390 brand new with tags, literally with two tiny little marks on it. If you didn't have marks on it, these are selling for high 500s as a reseller. Obviously retail on them, he has 965, so it would have been a nice payday, but unfortunately not this time. These kind of jackets don't come in much either, so it would have been nice to get a little bit of profit on that, but hey ho, someone's happy. Yeah, absolute bargain that for £390. I don't mind me a couple little marks from getting something for £200 cheaper. Nuts. Right, up next, Alligator Stone Island jacket. This is fucking sick. This one was in an XL. It's got your little toggle there and your toggle there. It had a couple tiny little flaws on it. Nothing major, just a little bit of wear, that's all. And someone bought this last night for £275, I believe. Which I know is a very good price for this jacket. But yeah, cool, right? Nice little cool different style jacket there. Up next, a Stone Island Pertex Quantum jacket. I have never had one of these jackets and not had a flaw on them. My supplier doesn't like to check through his stock. I have to check it when it comes here and I have to thoroughly check it all. So I always find out the flaws later on and I have to deal with the problems later on. But anyway, it doesn't matter. My supplier's an absolute legend, so it's fine. But this is in like a dark green colour. It's tagged a medium. These are very popular. It has, however, I had a fix here, and then I did notice that whatever it was that damaged it there and they've got fixed actually went through the coat. So there's a tiny little slit, so that just needs a little patch up. But other than that, it's actually in really good condition. These jackets are very fragile. Yeah, it's one of those things, but yeah, tagged medium, and that is for sale for cost price. Just depends if you don't mind a little flaw. You can barely see that flaw. To be honest, unless someone points it out, you're not going to know it's there anyway. Up next is CP Company black cotton hooded jacket. Really smart, this, nice. It kind of reminds me of a Supima cotton twill that Stone Island make. It's a bit similar to that kind of model, but I mean a hell of a lot cheaper. I think I'm doing this brand new with tags for £230, which is obviously absolutely banging price for a brand new CP jacket. Oh, and that one's a small as well. We're getting more smalls in. I'm getting more smalls in. People have been asking. I'm going to get more small mediums. They're coming. Let's see if they sell, because last time I did that, they didn't sell that quick. So let's just see. But yeah, I'm trying. Then we got this nylon green Stone Island overshirt. It's got the lining on the inside as well, so it's a nice thick one. And this one's in a size small as well. Lovely condition on that. Up next, the Stone Island nylon Batavia TC jackets. Really nice nylon navy blue jacket. Really smart piece there. We've got two of these available in 2XL, and I think they're coming in at 27 pits a bit. A couple CP Company quarter zips in this lovely blue colour. We've got large available and 2XL. Really nice smart pieces for the winter. Continuing on with the quarter zip vibe, we've also got this burgundy one in XL, and then we've got this black one in 2XL. There's been a little bit of damage around the CP holder, the lens holder on there. So yeah, it's just a little bit damaged. It still holds, it's still absolutely fine, but yeah, just a little bit damaged there. But I'm selling this for £130 brand new with tags. If that sort of thing don't bother you, and you're just looking for an absolute bargain, then that is a bargain. Black knitted Stone Island jumper, size small. CP Company resist dyed bluey grey jumper. These come up massive, these resist dyed quarter zips. This is a large and it's 25 pits a pair. Another one of these bad boys. These are selling quite quickly, so I thought let's get some more. This is a bio ripstop nylon Primaloft jacket. Absolute banger. They're long in length as well. They look stunning. This one's a large. They fit big though, so it'll fit an XL. One of my favourite jackets, a Stone Island micro reps. Absolutely beautiful that is, isn't it? The detail, the toggles, the pockets, the shine. It's all just absolutely beautiful. This one's in a 2XL and it's navy blue. Who doesn't love a membrana? Water resistant jacket. If you're looking at getting yourself a jacket for the rain, these are perfect. Lightweight as well. And this one's in a 2XL black Stone Island membrana. Up next, a CP Company a goggle zip jacket. Chrome R as well. So lovely and shiny nylon. This one's a size small and it's in lovely condition. Stone Island Primaloft insulated red gilet. Bit of an out there mad colour, but someone might absolutely love it. And this one's a size small. All of this stock is available at clobberisland.co.uk, so if you haven't already, go check out my website. We sell stuff for a hell of a lot cheaper than retail stores. Up next, a garment dyed crinkle reps jacket. Very, very popular, very nice piece. What more else is there to say about this really? It's beautiful, isn't it? This one I did notice has got a tiny little white dot there. I knocked off about 60 quid because of that white dot. Bargain. Up next, probably my favourite piece of the drop. This is a Stone Island Ghost Ovental fishtail parka in black. How beautiful is that? That is unreal. I'm gonna have to put it on to show you. This is tagged a medium. I'm a large. It fits me beautifully with quite a lot of space. So potentially this could be fitting an XL. I think it's 23.5 bits a bit. It's absolutely beautiful. Retails for £1,350. It's on the website now for $725. Brand new with tags. What do we think? Stunning, isn't it? CP Company Pastely Orange soft shell jacket, and this one's in a medium. A lovely like sky blue loom woven down jacket. This one's in a large. Really smart. I really like that. I think that's a really nice colour. Up next, we've got this 3/4 length micro twill in a navy blue. This one's in a size large and it's 23 pit to pit. Very smart jacket. 3/4 length jackets are just banging, aren't they? There's such fast sellers as well. That is absolutely beautiful, that is. It's got the fishtail as well. It just looks so smart, so classy. I absolutely love that. We've got this nice green Stone Island polo. This one's in a size small. We've got some brown 32 waist joggers. Some royal blue Stone Island 32 waist cargos. These are a bit mad, but also quite sick. These would look sick with a white t-shirt. I personally think, anyway. Some 32 waist Cupro cotton green cargos. These are really nice, that's soft material. Some 38 waist CP Company sand cargos. Nice and thick for the winter, these CP cargos. Also got a khaki pair in 32 waist. Some 3XL Stone Island joggers in like an off-white light blue kind of colour. We've got this orange Stony jumper back, which last time I posted this, I had 3 people in the comments saying how much he loved it. We got another one in, boys. It's got the zip pockets, exactly the same, size large. Size medium, like a limey green Stony jumper. We've got this lightweight CP Company knit jumper. It's a 2XL, but it's only 24.5 bit to bit. So it'll fit an XL better. Unless you like a tighter fit. If you like a tighter fit, it'll fit a 2XL. And then we've got this 2XL yellow Stony jumper as well. Then finally, this Ovental Stone Island Ghost piece. Absolutely beautiful, that is, in khaki, and this one is in a medium, but it fits a large perfectly. I know that because I've tried it on and it fits me beautifully. So yeah, if you're a large, then this is literally perfect. Finish off as well, we've just uploaded loads of corrosion badges to the website, plus also some replacement Stony badges if you've lost or damaged yours. But yeah, boys, that is a video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stock this week. Keep a close eye on my website because I'm going to be doing some Black Friday madness coming up very soon. I might do some little secret things where you go to the checkout and there's going to be an automatic discount and stuff like that. So only you guys on YouTube will know. So don't tell everyone, all right? But yeah, all I'm going to say is keep a close eye on the website, going through to checkout and all that kind of stuff, because you never know what's going to come up. But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you for watching. Make sure you hit like on the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out.